So you're thinking about buying your first wig, or maybe you already bought one and didn't quite give what it was supposed to. First of all, I've got you. I've seen thousands of women step into wigs for the first time, and there's a few common mistakes that come up again and again. And they're so easy to avoid once you know what to look for. So today I'm going to break down the 5 mistakes first-time wig buyers make and how to avoid them. Let's start with one of the most common mistakes, buying the wrong cap size. Most people assume medium fits all, but it doesn't. If the cap is too big, the lace won't lay flat. You'll get ripping, lifting, or that weird puffiness at the crown. If it's too small, it'll ride back, give you tension headaches, or expose the front of your hairline. At A-List, we made our wigs medium by default because it does fit 95% of people. However, we always advise measuring your hair and reaching out if you need a small or large custom option. Fit is everything. Mistake number 2, falling for fake HD lace. You've probably seen the word HD lace everywhere, but most of it isn't HD lace at all. Real HD lace is ultra thin, soft, and completely disappears on the skin. If your lace looks grey, green, chalky, or leaves a thick line, it's not HD lace at all. At A-List, we source authentic HD lace, the type that frays, that melts without glue, flashback, or filter. That's how you get that flawless hairline, not just in photos, but in real life. Mistake number 3 is one silent killer: too much density. It sounds luxurious, 250%, 300%, 400%. But for most women, it's overwhelming. It looks unnatural. It's hot, it tangles, it gives helmet. Unless you're intentionally going for a super big glam moment, 150% to 180% is perfect for everyday wear. It mimics healthy, full, natural hair, not a party wig. Quality hair and cap construction will always look fuller and more expensive than cheap hair with high density. Mistake number 4, buying from a brand that doesn't wear their own hair. This one is real. Too many brands sell hair they've never worn, never styled, never tested. They're drop shipping from factories, they don't have a shop or a salon, and posting stolen content. They're drop shipping from factories. You want to buy from a brand that lives in the wigs they sell. At A-List, I and my whole team personally wear all our units. If we wouldn't wear it to a shoot, use it for a celebrity client, or on camera, we won't sell it. That's why we get so many first-time buyers saying, "This is the best wig I've ever worn. This is the first wig I actually love." That's not luck, that's design. Last but not least, thinking you need glue for it to look natural. You don't. You just need the right cap construction. Glueless wigs, when done properly, are secure, beginner-friendly, and ready to wear. No lifting, no sticky residue, no salon needed. Our glueless units at A-List are pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and designed to melt without adhesive. You can literally cut the lace and go. Buying your first wig doesn't have to be scary. You don't need to be a pro. You don't need a stylist. You need someone to guide you through it. That's why I started this brand, to make luxury, beginner-friendly wigs that women can actually use. If you're buying your first wig or recovering from your first mistake, I hope this gave you clarity, confidence, and maybe even a little excitement. If you're ever unsure, I'm one DM away.